I've been making YouTube videos for many years, and one thing that always kills me, finding the right music. You finally find the perfect track, you build your whole edit around it, and then YouTube slaps a copyright strike on it. So I found something, and I genuinely could not believe this was free to try. This song, I made it in about 4 minutes. No music background, no instruments, just me typing. Here's what most creators deal with. You go to YouTube's audio library, great, but it's the same 50 songs everyone's already using. You try licensed platforms, expensive. You try trending sounds on TikTok, now your video sounds like everyone else's. What we actually want is music that fits our content, our vibe, something nobody else has. So I'm going to show you how you can create your own music for any type of video you are making, and even create full music songs as well. So make sure you pay close attention, and without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. What we actually want is music that fits our content, our vibe, something nobody else has. That's exactly what Suno does. Suno is an AI music generator. You simply type a description of the music you want, the vibe, the genre, the mood, and it generates a complete, studio-quality track with vocals, instruments, and everything included. And I'm going to show you exactly how I use it for my own videos right now. So, I'm on Suno.com. You can sign up for free and get a few credits to start. You'll find the website and mobile app links in the description. As you can see, they just added the new music model, version 5.5, and it can generate high-quality music for your videos. You can also check out these tracks for inspiration. So I'm going to use version 5.5. Simply click on Try Now, and it will take you to the generation page where the real magic happens. From here, you can select the mode, Simple, Advanced, or Sound. I'm going with Advanced, and for the model, I selected version 5.5. Here, you can choose the right option, where you can add your own music lyrics, and Suno will turn them into a complete song that's entirely your own creation. If you don't have lyrics, just type your prompt, and it will generate a song for you automatically. The third option is Instrumental, where you can create background music for your videos. You can make any type of music and add it to your content. You can also upload reference audio, voice recordings, or even a complete song for inspiration, and Suno will generate music inspired by that reference while creating your own version. So now, let's make music for my video. First, select Instrumental because we don't need any vocals in our music. Then, I paste my prompt. As you can see, I entered a detailed prompt because I'm making this for a tutorial video. I want something chill but still keeps people focused. So I describe exactly that. Then I enter my music title. Then I click Create, and in about 30 seconds, our music is ready. And this is my own music, nobody else has this exact track. If I want a different version, I just regenerate it. It gives me 2 options every time, so I can keep testing until I find the perfect one. Once I'm happy with the result, I download it as MP3 or WAV, and it goes straight into my edit. So our music is ready. Now let me show you this video one by one, first with random music, and then with the music generated using Suno. You'll be able to hear the difference and see how custom music makes the video feel much better and match the content perfectly.
Okay, so this pink denim jacket is genuinely one of the best things I've bought this year. The fit is so clean. I keep forgetting it's denim because it moves like nothing. Honestly, just get it. Okay, so this pink denim jacket is genuinely one of the best things I've bought this year. The fit is so clean. I keep forgetting it's denim because it moves like nothing. Honestly, just get it.
You feel the difference, right? One sounds like every other video. The other one actually fits. A few things I learned that make Suno way better. Tip 1. Be specific with your prompt. Don't just say, happy music. Say, a beat acoustic guitar, morning coffee shop vibe, no drums, positive energy. The more detail, the better the result. Tip 2. Use the style of music box and the lyrics box separately. If you want instrumentals, type instrumental only in the prompt, otherwise it might add vocals. Tip 3. Generate multiple times. The first result isn't always the best one. I usually generate 4 to 6 versions before I pick. Now I'll be honest, it's not perfect 100% of the time. Sometimes the first result misses the vibe. But honestly, even on a bad day, it's better than spending an hour scrolling through stock music sites. And the fact that it's mine, no copyright claim, no revenue share, no video blocked in 47 countries, that alone is worth it. If you make any kind of content, YouTube, TikTok, podcasts, short films, just try it. The free version lets you experiment and see if it fits your workflow. And you can generate up to 10 songs for free. For commercial rights, I recommend checking out the Pro or Premier plan. With these plans, you'll get access to all Suno features and all available models. And if you choose the annual plan, you can save 20% off. I'll provide the link in the description. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.